Good day, class. Today we still want to continue our class on heat energy. Particularly, we'll be treating linear expansivity, area expansivity, and cubic expansivity. Let's see this question on the board. This is JAMB question 1998. We have the linear expansivity of brass is 2 times 10 to the power minus 5 per degree Celsius. If the volume of a piece of brass is 15.00 centimeter cube at 0 degrees Celsius, what is the volume at 100 degrees Celsius? And we are given the options. Before we solve this question, you must note that the formula for cubic expansivity, which is gamma, is change in volume over original volume and change in temperature. So change in volume could be V2 minus V1 over V1 times change in theta. So our cubic expansivity in the question is, we are given the linear expansivity of brass is 2 times 10 to the power minus 5. The linear expansivity, the volume expansivity is 3 times linear expansivity. So we say 3 alpha, and 3 alpha means 3 times 2 times 10 raised to the power minus 5, and that is 6 times 10 raised to the power minus 5 per degree Celsius. If the volume of a piece of brass is 15, we are given V1, that's the initial volume, that's 15 cm cube. At 100 degrees Celsius, we are given the initial temperature is 0. What is the volume at 100? So T1 is 0, T2 is 100. So let's plug in this formula and calculate the final volume, that is V2. So when we substitute into this formula, we have gamma, which is 6 times 10 raised to the power minus 5, V2, which is unknown, our V1, that's 15, our V1, that's 15, times difference in temperature, T2 minus T1, that's 100 minus 0. So when we do this very well, we have V2 minus 15. This over 1, we cross multiply. So V2 minus 15, we have 6 times 10 raised to the power minus 5 times 15 times 100 minus 0, that's 100. So when we do this, V2 minus 15, so let's evaluate this. 6 times 15, that is 90. We have 9,000 here. We have 9,000 times 10 raised to the power minus 5. So when we add V2 now, when we say minus 15 comes here, becomes plus 15. So when we say 9,000 times 10 raised to the power minus 5, we are left with 9 times 10 raised to the power 2. 9 times 10 raised to the power 2. So 9 times 10 raised to the power minus 2 plus 15. So if we do this very well, our 9 times 10 raised to the power minus 2 is 0.09. 9 divided by 100, 0.09 plus 15. So that will automatically give me 15.09 cm cube. So our answer to this question, the final volume, is 15.09 cm cube. I hope you have gained something in this video. Let's share this important information. There are some students that are in need of this vital information, but they are not within easy reach. Share it, like it, and when you like it, you spread the information. Don't forget, we are also on YouTube, IKORODU. Bye for now. See you in my next video.